Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, you're welcome back to the e-learning portal of CTY Model College. This is JS2 Social Studies Week 6 Lesson 1 presented by Aderoba, and the topic is attitude. What is attitude? Attitude is the opinion and feelings you have about people or something, especially when this is shown in your behavior. As I've said earlier, I said attitudes is the opinion and feelings you have about something or about people, especially when this feeling or opinion you have about them show in your behavior towards them. Our attitude towards people or things reflects our evaluation, that is, our judgment about these people, be it negative or positive. Our judgment about them, what we think they are. Maybe they are good or they are bad. Our attitudes are sometimes expressed verbally with words such as love. I love that clothes. I love that girl. I like that girl. Hate, dislike, value. I love so. I value so. So is good or so is bad. Oh, that thing is disgusting, and so on. All these are words that we use to express our evaluation of people or things. They are used to express how we feel about people or things. Attitudes are features of people. Attitudes are our features, our characteristics. Characteristics that people can use to describe us. So attitudes are features of people. And attitude differ from one person to another. Attitude differ from one person to another in terms of strength and intensity. You may describe somebody as being hot-tempered. You may describe somebody as being very hot-tempered. And you may describe another person as being slightly hot-tempered or quiet or gentle or cool or calm. Attitudes are held for a long time. Attitudes are held for a long time. That is, we can have a particular attitude or behavior for a long time. Though attitudes change. Attitudes change. Attitudes, however, change as we become more experienced, exposed, and as we interact with people, other people, and other cultures. By the time you become more exposed, you may likely drop some of your attitudes. You may likely change some of your attitudes. By the time you become more exposed, by the time you interact with other people, with some people, with some new cultures, you may eventually drop your old attitudes. What are the components of attitude? There are 3 components of attitude, and they are cognitive component of attitude, the affection or emotion component of attitude, and the last one is the behavioral component of attitude. I said there are many components. 3 components of attitude. Say after me. We have the cognitive component. Say that. We have the affective or emotional component, and then we have the behavioral component of attitude. So the cognitive component of attitude is talking about our thinking about something, our understanding of something, what we think about something, what we understand about something. That is the cognitive component of attitude. Why the affective or emotional component of attitude is our feelings, what we feel about something, our emotion, our value judgment about something. And the third component is the behavioral component, that is how we act towards certain things or certain people. So the 3 components of attitude are cognitive, what we think about something or our understanding about something, affective component, that is our feelings about something, how we feel about something, what we feel about something, our emotion about something, our value judgment about something. Oh, I love it. I dislike it. Then behavioral components of attitude, that is how we act towards people or towards certain things, based on what? Based on the understanding and the feelings we have about those things. Are you there? So the next thing we are going to look at is the functions of attitude. When I say the functions of attitude, number one, attitude helps us to choose the set of people to associate with, or those that we should not associate with, the events or activities or objects we should engage in, or the events or objects or activities we should not what? We should not engage in. Don't forget, I told you that attitudes are features of people. What people can use to describe us are our attitudes. Are you there? So the understanding you have about certain things will let you know, or will let you develop judgment about that particular thing. When you believe that thing is wrong or that thing is bad, you definitely not want to associate with it. Are you with me? Based on the feature of that particular person, or based on the feature of that particular thing or event. So you must have made your judgment about that feature that that person possess, or that feature that that thing possess, and based on your judgment of good or bad, you will decide to either associate with or not to associate with it. You will decide to either go for that thing or not what? Or not to go for it. So attitude helps us to choose who to associate with, what activities to engage in, or what activities not to engage in, what objects to go for or what objects not to go for, set of people to move with or not to move with. Are you there? Through our attitude, we express the values we hold. Through our attitudes, we express the value we hold. Do you know what value is? Value is your idea of good or bad. What you believe in is your value. What you believe in is your value. What you believe to be good or what you believe to be bad is your value. So through our attitude, we express the values we hold. We express the value we hold, our belief in certain things. That is, things we believe in, who we really are, or what we stand for, is usually reflected in our attitude. Someone that does not tell lies, it shows that that person has integrity. Someone that does not cheat others, it shows that that person what? Values integrity. Are you there? Attitude helps us protect our self-image. Attitude helps us protect our self-image. With our attitude, we promote and conserve the value we stand for. With our attitude, we promote and conserve the value we stand for and the social group we belong. Are you there? With our attitude, those things we believe in, we protect them. Those things we stand for, with our attitude, we conserve them. Do you know the meaning of conserving? You don't let people snatch that thing away from you, or that thing should go in extinction. With your attitude, you continue to promote that thing you believe in. Are you there? With your attitude, you continue to conserve it, your value. With your attitude, that thing you stand for, you stand firm on it, and you continue to promote it. You continue to advocate for it. Our attitude affects how we feel and react to new situations that are similar to our previous experiences. Our attitude affects how we feel and react to new situations that are similar to our previous experiences. Attitude helps us to get acceptance, praise, and support from others. People that you share the same value with, that you share the same attitude with, that you share the same features with, they will accept you. They will love you. They will praise you. If you're a good girl and you do something good, those that value being good, they will appreciate it. They will appreciate you. They will accept you. I hope my point is clear. So these are some of the functions of attitude. First of all, attitude determines who we are. It expresses, it shows the values we hold. It shows the kind of person we are. The way we behave describes us. The way we behave tells who we really are to people. Attitudes help us to make some decisions, to choose the people or things to associate with, or those things not to associate with, based on the features or attitudes they display. You'll be able to choose the kind of friend you move with based on the feature or attitude that kind of person has. They help us to express our values, as I've said. Attitudes help us to protect our self-image. Through our attitude, we protect things that we believe in. We stand firm, we conserve it. We don't let people to strip us of it. We don't let people to snatch it from us. We don't let people to stop us from doing that thing. So those are the functions of attitude. So this is where we are going to stop today. Till we meet again. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.